Breaking news coming in. Ajit Doval has reached Union Minister Amit Shah's residence after meeting Captain Amrinder Singh. That is the breaking news that we're bringing to you at this point of time. Minutes after meeting Captain Amrinder Singh, NSA Doval meeting Amit Shah. Paulamy is now joining us live for the latest. Paulamy, since they've been mentioning that this particular meeting, and our reporters also have been mentioning that this particular meeting is on the security issues when it comes to Punjab. Has Ajit Doval reached the Home Minister's residence to apprise him of the meeting that has been taking place with Captain Amrinder Singh on the security issues, or is there more to it than meets the eye?
Well, Chaiti, we are yet to find out what exactly is in fact being discussed in that meeting, which is underway at the Home Minister's residence right now, where I'm standing at the moment. In fact, Ajit Doval, National Security Advisor, arrived here 1 hour ago, shortly after leaving from his residence. Remember that yesterday, Captain Amrinder Singh also had a meeting with the Union Home Minister, and there is the likelihood of another meeting that could take place today as well. Yesterday, of course, the media advisor to Captain Amrinder Singh in fact tweeted out and quoted Captain Amrinder Singh and said that he in fact discussed the farm laws and the ongoing agitation by farmers against those farm laws with the Union Home Minister, and in fact requested urgent repeal of those laws and a guarantee of MSP as well. In fact, crop diversification in Punjab was also one of the issues that was on the table. That is what Captain Amrinder Singh claimed. But obviously, given the fact that Punjab Congress seems in a virtual turmoil and Captain Amrinder Singh felt snubbed when he was asked to step down as the Chief Minister of Punjab, there is a lot of speculation and conjecture being sort of read into these meetings that he seems to be having in Delhi, which Chaiti, in fact, he previously denied when the media had reported that he indeed was travelling to Delhi 2 days ago in order to have a meeting with the Union Home Minister and possibly with the BJP National President as well. At that time, Raveen Thakral, his media advisor, had tweeted and said that this is just a personal visit, and any sort of other speculation which is rife in the media is completely not based on any sort of fact or truth. But clearly, he had a meeting with the Union Home Minister, and now, of course, it appears that Captain Amrinder Singh is seemingly exploring his opportunities outside the Congress. That can be said for certain, Chaiti. While he has claimed at the time of stepping down that he remains with the Congress, and he remains with the Congress as we speak on paper, it is not to be denied that he indeed is exploring his opportunities at present. But could he join hands with the Bharatiya Janata Party ahead of those crucial elections in Punjab? That could be extremely detrimental, say, political watchers, for Captain's career graph and his political career and his future, because given the sort of stance and position he's taken against the farm laws, and again, in fact, tweeting out that he asked for an urgent repeal of those farm laws, which the centre hasn't been doing, at such a time to be joining hands with the Bharatiya Janata Party could be extremely detrimental.
That's a very interesting perspective, and thank you so much, Paulamy, for that, for bringing that perspective as well to your report.